Good day everyone, my name is Jeffrey Altabanyag of BSHM3C. So for today's video, we are going to talk about the Ilocos region or the Region 1. Ilocos region is a region in the Philippines encompassing the northwestern coast of Luzon Island. Its eastern borders are the region of Cordillera Administrative Region, Cagayan Valley, and in south is the Central Luzon. To the west is the West Philippine Sea. Region 1, or the Ilocos region, is composed of 4 provinces: Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. It is known for its historic sites, beaches, and well-preserved Spanish colonial city in Vegan. The Ilocos region is famous for its cultural and historical sites. It is worth exploring, and most notably for its popular Ilocos food. From Lawag, the capital city of Ilocos Norte, to the historic city of Vigan in the Ilocos Sur, you travel through unique heritage Ilocano dishes. The local artists like fabric weavers and potters are famous for their skilled craft work. The Ilocano-speaking people composed of 66% of the region, the Pangasinan-speaking people composed of 27%, and the Tagalog composed of 3%. Here are some of the famous tourist attraction and destination in each provinces of the Region 1. First, in Ilocos Norte, the Paway Church with the St. Augustine Church, located in Paway, Ilocos Norte. The church is famous for its distinct architecture, highlighted by the enormous buttresses on the sides and the back of the building. In Ilocos Sur, the Calle Crisologo, it is Vigan's most popular tourist attraction. The ground and the pavements of this preserved street are made of cobblestones, and both sides are lined with ancestral houses that are reminiscent of the old Spanish towns. Next is in La Union, the Matcha Temple, built in 1977 by the group of Filipino-Chinese devotees. It is a tourist temple to the Chinese sea goddess Masu. Another tourist destination in La Union is the Gapos Grape Farm, located in Bawang, La Union, where you can pick fresh grapes and buy wines. And lastly, in the Pangasinan, the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse. It was built by the Americans in 1903 on a 351 feet high promontory. The lighthouse still sends signals to the vessels passing the area. So that's all for the Region 1 or the Ilocos region. Once again, I am Jeffrey Altabanyag of BCHM3C. Thank you, have a nice day.